watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santa Maria. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being here. Special episode, okay? Mag-unbox tayo ng sapatos. It's gonna be a shoe showcase episode. So semi-unboxing to. It's not a true unboxing because the real unboxing happened on the other channel, the sneaker channel. Kumbaga, second unboxing ito. But of course, I wanted to do a video for this shoe dito sa ating dedicated bike channel. So very special shoe ito for a few reasons. Number one, I would say is that it's special because hindi available to sa Pilipinas. I had to buy this at the Adidas UK website. At pag UK, mas mahal, of course, may shipping, and you'll need a shipping cart account because some websites, some retail websites don't deliver directly to the Philippines. This is the box that it came in, and you will see may tape siya ng shipping cart. So shipping cart is a service where yun nga, pag yung website hindi nagde-deliver directly to the Philippines, you use your shipping cart address. Pag nag-sign up ka sa shipping cart, you'll be given a US warehouse address, a UK address, and an Australia address. So Adidas UK ito, which does not deliver directly to the Philippines, kaya pinadala ko siya sa shipping cart address ko sa UK. Another reason why this is a special shoe is that because this is a repurposing of a classic sneaker, one of the most recognizable, most iconic sneakers of all time. Kung mahilig ka sa sneakers and you don't have an appreciation for this silhouette, ewan ko na lang. So, let's do the unboxing, no? Wag na natin patagalin. Well, let's start with the box. You'll see here, nakalagay, end plastic waste. That's sort of the Adidas ethos as of late, no? It just means na most of their products these days, lalo na sa sapatos, are made up of recycled materials. Yung mga plastic waste nga, they grind it, they do something with it, mix it with some stuff, and make new sneakers out of it. And that's good. Kasi sa totoo lang, ang sapatos pag naluma, tatapon mo, di ba? Hindi na nare-recycle talaga ang sapatos. And the sapatos, ang sneakers, they're not sustainable. They're bad for the planet, and I mentioned that in the other episode, no? There's not much you can do with old sneakers. So ayan, Samba. Don't you recognize the silhouette? Napakaganda, di ba? If you're an old head like me, nagsamba din kayo nung 90s. At ang pogi lang ng Samba. It goes with anything. Naka-jeans ka, no? Yung jeans mo na LA Cable, tapos mga maluluwag na shirt, tapos naka Ralph Lauren ka na baseball cap. Yan, Samba. One of the most iconic, one of the most classic, quintessential sneakers of all time. One of the first things you need to know about these Sambas is that they're called the VELOSAMBA. Alright? VELOSAMBA. Velo is the French word for bicycle. So bicycle, Samba, pang bike. And if you look at the bottoms, 2 bolt cleats ang kinakabit. So for MTB use, for gravel bike use, pogi lang. Who says you can't bike and look good at the same time, di ba? Kung hindi ka for the traditional cycling look and you wanna still look good from the bike parking to the coffee shop counter, then this probably is the shoe for you. So, VELOSAMBA. I'd like to tell you a bit about the history of the Samba as a sneaker, no? Alam niyo ba na ang Samba, original silhouette, it came out in 1950. And it was an alternate training football shoe para kapag frozen yung pitch. So, this was born out of necessity, eh. Minsan, you have to train at frozen yung pitch. Ito ang gagamitin mo para mas grippy. You don't use this in actual football matches, no? Well, maybe may mga nagsuot na, pero this was primarily intended for frozen pitches. And then nauso rin to for indoor soccer. Pwede to. And I would say the Samba is the grandfather of the turf shoe. Ayan. Of course, repurposed. It's now used for cycling. The bottoms are still, I would say, made of the same material ng Samba casual sneaker. Kasi casual na lang ang Samba ngayon, eh. You don't really use it for for football. You know, ganun naman ang mga sneakers as they evolve through time, as better technologies come around. Yung material mas gumagaang, mas nagkakaroon ng mga iba ng structure na sneakers. Yung mga luma, they retro it and they're made for lifestyle use. So yung lifestyle Samba ngayon, no, I would imagine the same din ang material because these are still grippy. In fact, sa malayo nga, you can't tell na cycling shoe siya eh. What will give it away, of course, would be the VELOSAMBA marking here. And kapag tumingin sa ilalim, makikita yung bicycle cleat mo dito. 2-bolt cleats, may I remind you. So let's go around the shoe real quick now. And I think it's important for you to see and understand that this is a well-made shoe. Masaya ako sa quality. Walang glue stains. Ang ganda ng tahe, ganda ng materials na ginamit. Very premium and it's worth the price. Okay? So this is the VELOSAMBA. Unahin na natin yung toe area. Yung mudguard na tinatawag is made of high quality suede. Done in black, of course. Medyo dahil suede siya, iba ang shade ng pagka-black niya. At kita mo yung contrast niya sa upper. Yung base ng upper is smooth leather, black of course. You go to the signature 3 stripes. Puti. Right? Check out the back. The heel is black. Okay? At yung heel tab niya dito, yung classic na puti. The liner is soft fabric na foam lined. Your tongue is leather. Now, yung mga ibang Samba, yung mga sinaunang panahon, mahaba yung dila where there's a flap na mafo-fold mo pa outward. Ito regular lang. Hindi natin kailangan yung mahabang dila. No? So, hindi naman pang football na to, sa totoo lang. The laces are the flat black laces na makikita mo sa mga classic Samba talaga. Right? Yung branding niya, no, yung logo niya would be the modern Adidas logo. That's the same thing here on the insole. The modern Adidas logo. So, tingnan natin yung loob. Okay, medyo held together by adhesive yung insole. And I wanted to show you the bottoms this time. So, we briefly covered the bottoms. Nice, grippy, very walkable outsole. Okay. One piece pala siya. Outsole and midsole are made in one piece. Kasi usually sa sneakers, you have a midsole, tapos may tapal pa na outsole. Ito one piece. And that's what I love about these cycling shoes. Okay. So, let's look at the bottoms, no. From end to end, from heel to toe, sa loob niyan, may matigas na material. I don't know what it's made of. I can only assume it's carbon fiber. And you need a stiff bottom para efficient ang transfer na energy, lalo na sa cycling. Okay? And you have this exposed part, of course. Diyan mo ibabolt yung 2 cleats mo. Yung 2-bolt cleats mo. We have 2-bolt cleats here. Kakabit ko na siya mamaya. Now, I'll tell you one thing about the cleat bracket, no? Kung titingnan mo yan, adjustable. Up and down. Okay? As you insert your cleats, as you bolt the cleats, pag sinikipan mo, it will stay in place. So, mamimili ka na lang ng orientation mo. Okay? Ganda lang di ba? So, as far as the look and the aesthetic is concerned, pasadong-pasado sa akin to. And this video is only an aesthetic looks review, di ba? Hindi naman to performance review pa. I didn't want to go on one ride and give you a performance review. Ayoko nun. We're probably gonna ride 200 kilometers, then balikan natin tong shoe, then I'm gonna give you a proper performance review. But as far as the look is concerned, masaya ako. It's a nostalgic pair. I'm really taken back to the 90s. And maganda sa sapatos na to. 1950 pa to, di ba? Pick any decade in the past. Pick any decade in the future. This shoe I know will still be relevant because it just has that classic look. Adidas yan eh. Okay? Now, let's talk about sizing. Ito, last part siguro ng video is sizing. Ang natural size ko is US size 10. Yun naman ang pinaka-common. We all refer to our US sizes. Yan ang common. So, I have US, there's UK sizing, and there's Europe sizing, yung EU. Those are the 3 major sizing conventions. Iba-iba din ang numero niyan. Size 10 ako sa US. Pagdating sa UK, magbabawas ka ng 0.5. 9.5 UK. Yan ang equivalent ng US 10. Sa Europe naman, 44. You use a two-digit number to indicate your Europe sizing, so 44. Iba-iba yan, and that's important na maintindihan ninyo. Now, pagdating sa Samba, I didn't own a Samba ever, no? Pero nung bata ako, may kaibigan ako may Samba at hinihiram ko minsan. Kaya alam ko ang Samba, they run long. Kaya I went half a size down. Okay, so sa US, 9.5 ako talaga sa Samba. Sa UK website, UK ang mga indicated, and I did mention, pag US, babawasan mo na ng 0.5, yun ang UK size mo. So this is a UK 9. UK 9 para tama yung fit. Okay? US 9.5, UK 9. Yun ang equivalent. So ang tanong, pwede mo bang ipanglakad ito? Pwede. You can do whatever the hell you want to do in the sneakers. Maglakad ka kung gusto mo. But remember, these are not built for walking. Pwede bang ipangtakbo? Pwede. Ipangtakbo mo kung gusto mo. But these are not built for running. These are primarily for cycling. Okay? Now, ang MTB tsaka mga gravel shoes naman, just like this one, you know, mostly naman yan goma ang ilalim. Kailangan may walkability aspect. Okay? And most of the MTB and gravel shoes din, lubog yung cleats. Para it's not in the way so you could walk properly. Pansin nyo mga MTB races, no? Mga MTB, cyclocross, gravel, cross country, maraming buhatan ng bike ang involved. Bababa yung rider, isasampa yung bike sa balikat, tatakbo sila sa mga hill, tatakbo sila pababa. Kasi minsan may mga paakyat na hindi mo kaya i-bike eh. Loose gravel o masyado maputek, bababa sila, tatakbuhin nila yun. And that's made possible because lubog yung cleat. And this one has that profile. So, yes, made for cycling, pero pwedeng ipanglakad ng konti, pwedeng ipantakbo ng konti. And there you have it, the Adidas VELOSAMBA. Ganda, di ba? What do you think of the shoe? Lagay niyo sa comments, kwentuhan tayo. That's it for the video. God bless you all. Ride safe palagi. I'll see you next time.